guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. I'm going to be doing a full face of Magic Hour from M Cosmetics. I actually got sent a little PR package from them really recently and it contained some Magic Hour products and it completed my Magic Hour collection, so I wanted to do a full face for you guys. I actually have done a full face of Faded Clementine as well, which I'll leave in the cards and I'll also leave it down below as well in case you missed it or if you're interested in that shade family as well. But we're gonna focus on Magic Hour today. I cannot believe I did get sent PR from them. When I got the email, I was like, is this for real? Because you guys know how much I look up to Michelle and I have been a big fan of M Cosmetics ever since I've purchased from them the first time, and a lot of their products I feel like are just so special, so unique. With that being said, if you guys are interested in this full face of a Magic Hour and you want to see what everything looks like on me, then please continue watching. So the first Magic Hour item we're going to go in with is of course the Divine Skies Magic Hour eyeshadow palette. This comes with 3 mattes and 3 beautiful metallics and it retails for $40 US. I have grown to love this palette so much. It lives in my top drawer now. I think the tones are very soft and romantic and it really does fit my makeup style. So I just simply adore this palette. And for today's look, I'm going to create something on the pinkier side because you definitely can create something a little bit more bronzy with the browns here, but we're going to focus more on the pinks. So I'm going to go in with this shade here. This one is called, I think it's called Sunset. And I'm just going to take that into my crease using windshield wiping motions. These shadows blend out so well and they are fairly pigmented. They're not like pigmented where there's like a lot of kickback in the palette. They just work really easily, really beautiful eyeshadows. And I'm also going to take that same shadow onto my lower lash line. Then I'm going to go ahead and take this shade over here. I believe this one is called Phoenix. I don't really know how to read it, which way it goes, but I think it's Phoenix. And this is more of like a medium mauvey pink. And we're going to focus that at the outer corners of our eyes. Just for a little definition. Like I mentioned before that this palette is more on the soft romantic side. You definitely can get something a little bit more smoky, but I think for the most part, a lot of the looks that you create from this palette is going to be somewhat like this. I will also leave my other M Cosmetics reviews down below. The first one I did was just my first order on M Cosmetics and I did feature this palette and I did do a look with it, so if you want more inspiration. And then my second video was a full face of Faded Clementine. So I'm gonna work my way through a full face of everything. I actually think the next Divine Skies, I don't know why, I just have this gut feeling it's going to be Venetian Rose because they recently just launched the Venetian Rose Heaven's Glow blush, which I do have the Magic Hour I'm going to be using. They just released that and I feel like they're slowly going through Venetian Rose and they're going to make a Divine Skies for that because they did Faded Clementine. Now that's a whole family and now I feel like it's time for Venetian Rose. I'm just gonna patiently wait for that day to come and then I'll do a full face of Venetian Rose, which I'm really excited about. I'm gonna be featuring those new products in first impressions little tutorial coming up. Probably after this video you guys will see it. But I'm gonna take that Phoenix shade onto my lower lash line just at the outer third here. And then I'm going to go ahead and take this metallic shadow here, which is called Magic Hour, the perfect name, honestly. And I'm just going to place that directly at the inner third of my eyes. In the pen, it does have sort of like a really strong pink undertone, but once it's on the eyes, I feel like it does flip more to a gold. And you could use the shadow wet as well if you wanted more of like a metallic-y foil type of look. But I want something very soft, very romantic, so using it dry is what I like. So that is the eye look done. Very simple, very easy, soft, and romantic. I'm actually gonna go in with the Cosmetics illustrative brush tip eyeliner in the shade brown. And I'm just gonna create a very small wing, hopefully. Let's see how this goes. And then I'm just gonna go in with the dark brown eyeshadow to just smudge out that wing. Alright, so I quickly did go off camera just to finish off the other eye. I also popped on some false lashes. These ones are from Petite Cosmetics in the style Muse. These are my favorite sort of daily lashes, but with a little bit of glam to them. I really love them and I think it looks really good with this like sort of softer eye look. But we're gonna move on to the cheeks now. We're gonna go in with the Heaven's Glow Magic Hour. I have this in Faded Clementine and I love it. I think it's such a unique product. This is $34 US, but I definitely think it's worth it. I mean, I haven't tried Magic Hour yet. We're going to right now, but Faded Clementine one, just so unique. It's in my top drawer as well. I'm extremely excited for this. Like, I already know I'm gonna love it, so I'm gonna take a bit on my brush. We'll just apply that to the apples. This color is so pretty. Ooh, I love it already. I feel like this one will probably be more wearable for me for daily wear than Faded Clementine. And it does give you sort of like a subtle glow. It just makes your cheeks look really good, to be honest. I do prefer matte blushes, but something about the Heaven's Glow formulation is just so pretty. Oh, that makes you look so fresh and like innocent. I love that. That looks so good. And now onto the lips. I have 3 formulations in Magic Hour. So we first have the lip cushion, which is $22 US. And then I have the Infinite Lip Cloud, which is $20 US, as well as the True Gloss, which is also $20 US. We'll go in with the lip cushion first because I have tried this before and it's in my top drawer. I love this formulation so much. Because it's a little bit more pricey, I try not to use it too much, but I'll just show you what it looks like. It's such a pretty everyday color. I absolutely adore this one. Probably one of my favorite lip formulations, to be honest. So this is what the lip cushion in Magic Hour looks like on my lips and with the Magic Hour face. I love this. I feel like this would be more appropriate for daytime. It's a little bit more subtle and natural, and it makes your lips look really good, and it gives a little bit of tint to it as well. Next up we're gonna try is the Infinite Lip Cloud in Magic Hour, of course. So I've only tried this formulation in Faded Clementine and I really do like it. I think it's a really nice sort of like velvety mousse texture, and if I remember, it does have a very sweet chocolate scent. It smells so good, like so good. And I have a feeling, yeah, I'm gonna love this color. Oh my gosh, this fits the eyeshadow perfectly. You guys know how I love to be monochromatic, so this is just giving me all the vibes right now. I would describe this to be like a pinky coral type of color. And you guys know I don't really like liquid lipsticks, but this formulation, it's super comfortable and it's what I can deal with because it doesn't feel drying on the lips. Like I like this like velvety type of finish. So here we have Magic Hour in the Infinite Cloud formulation. I just know that this is going to be my new daily lip color. I love it. It's like the perfect type of nude, but it has sort of like a brightness to it, but it's not too bright, and I love how it matches my eyeshadow like to the T. I know this is a Magic Hour collection and the Magic Hour is a certain shade and everything is going to match, but I didn't think it was going to match this well. Like it's perfect. I love it. And I'm just gonna quickly apply the True Gloss just to see what it looks like with the liquid lipstick and the gloss paired together, and then I'll also just show you what the gloss looks like on its own. Also, I love the glosses as well. I have tried this in Faded Clementine, but that's the only other color I have used. Ooh. Okay, this one's really pretty. I feel like it's a little bit lighter than the liquid lipstick. I feel like with the Faded Clementine gloss, that one was like way more pigmented and brighter, but this one, I feel like it's a little bit less opaque in a way, which is not a bad thing. So this is what the True Gloss and the Infinite Cloud looks like together. I think it's a really nice lip pairing. I do like how the gloss is a little bit lighter, so it sort of gives a highlight to the lips. I don't typically pair glosses on top of liquid lipsticks. I feel like that's a bit too heavy, but if you're curious, this is what it looks like. And then I'll just apply the True Gloss on its own. Oh, it's a really pretty shade as well. So this is what the True Gloss in Magic Hour looks like on its own. It's sort of like a toned down, milkier version of the Infinite Cloud, which is still really pretty. I feel like this one has more of like a pearlized sort of finish. Like it's a little bit different from the Faded Clementine one. And this, you guys, is a full face of a Magic Hour from Cosmetics. I absolutely love how the final look turned out. I love these sort of pinky coral tones and how everything is so monochromatic. You know my monochromatic soul is just screaming at this look. I love it so much, and I definitely have found some new holy grail products. I have tried all of these formulations before. It was just some of the lip products in the Heaven's Glow that I haven't tried in the Magic Hour shade, and I'm so happy that I have it in my collection now because truly so beautiful. Pinks are one of my favorite colors to wear, so I already knew I was gonna love this collection. So I would love to know what you guys think down below. What do you guys think of this look? What do you guys think of the Magic Hour collection? Do you guys have anything? I would love to hear your thoughts down below. And also, if you guys did enjoy this video, you enjoyed watching, please give it a thumbs up for me. I would appreciate it so much if you did. Thank you so much for watching as always. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!